Supply chain management basics, from source to shelf. Supply chain management is a crucial part of getting products from where they are made to where people buy them. It's more than just shipping. It's a complex network involving many different companies and processes working together. Essentially, it includes all the steps needed to create and sell a product, from obtaining raw materials like cotton or metal to manufacturing the item, storing it in warehouses, distributing it to stores, and finally delivering it into the hands of the consumer. A well-managed supply chain aims for efficiency, reducing costs, and ensuring products are available when and where customers want them. The first stage involves sourcing, which means finding reliable suppliers who can provide high-quality materials at a reasonable price. Companies often work with multiple suppliers to avoid relying on just one source, minimizing the risk of disruptions. Once materials arrive at the manufacturing facility, production begins. This is followed by quality control, checking for defects and ensuring the product meets specific standards. After production, goods are typically stored in warehouses, strategically located to facilitate quick distribution. These warehouses aren't simply holding spaces. They utilize sophisticated systems to manage inventory and prepare orders for shipment. Tracking goods throughout this process is vital. Modern supply chains rely heavily on technology like barcodes, RFID tags, radio frequency identification, and software programs. Barcodes allow for easy scanning at each stage, recording the movement of products. RFID tags offer even more detailed tracking, providing real-time information about location and condition. This data is fed into a central system, giving companies visibility over their entire supply chain. Knowing exactly where a product is at any given moment helps prevent delays, manage inventory levels effectively, and respond quickly to unexpected problems like natural disasters or transportation issues. Distribution is the next key step, involving transporting products from warehouses to retailers or directly to consumers. This often involves various modes of transport: trucks, trains, ships, and airplanes, chosen based on speed, cost, and distance. Logistics companies play a significant role here, handling the complex coordination of these shipments. Increasingly, last-mile delivery is becoming more important. This refers to the final stage of getting the product from a distribution center to the customer's door. This can involve services like package delivery or in-store pickup options. Ultimately, successful supply chain management isn't just about moving products efficiently. It also focuses on building strong relationships with suppliers and customers, adapting to changing market demands, and embracing sustainable practices. Companies are now prioritizing things like reducing their carbon footprint and ensuring ethical sourcing of materials. By focusing on these aspects, businesses can create a more resilient and responsible supply chain that benefits both the environment and their bottom line. Passage vocabularies. Questions. Choose T if you think the statement is true and F if you think the statement is false. 1. Supply chain management only involves transporting finished products to stores. 2. Sourcing refers to finding suppliers who can provide materials at a good price and quality. 3. Companies usually rely on just one supplier to keep costs low. 4. Quality control happens before production begins in the supply chain process. 5. Warehouses are only used for storing products. They don't play a role in order preparation. 6. Barcodes and RFID tags help companies track goods throughout the supply chain. 7. Logistics companies are responsible for manufacturing products. 8. Last mile delivery refers to transporting products from warehouses to retailers. 9. Sustainable practices, like reducing carbon footprint, are becoming less important in supply chain management. 10. A well-managed supply chain aims to make sure products are available when customers need them.